This is a Custom Saber Shop double-ended male threaded connector style 2, and it's a connector or it's a coupler that is pretty much the same style as MPS pommel style 3V2, also from the Custom Saber Shop. Here's a little comparison right here. I'll bring them both a little closer. You can see they're nearly identical. It's just this one is a pommel and this one is a connector. So both of these are 1.93 inches for the outside diameter, and also the weight of this connector is 1.8 ounces or 50 grams. So it has a little bit of weight to it, but it's also not super heavy. And it's definitely a connector that will draw a little attention to kind of the area where the sabers are connected. And and by the way, this is part of the MHS system, modular hilt system V1, and it is compatible with Ultra Sabers and also Saber Trio. So I'm going to test this out now on some Ultra Sabers lightsabers. So here I have two Ultra Sabers lightsabers. And I know the Custom Saber Shop always recommends that you check the threading in advance and grease the threading so that things don't get stuck. So here's what it looks like. These are two kind of apprentice style hilts from Ultra Sabers. They're both technically apprentice LEV4. This is kind of my faded version of it. And let's see, I think I have to zoom out a little bit. Okay, so here's what it looks like. The eye is definitely drawn to the center, and especially with these sabers and with many others, the outside diameter of this connector, it'll pop a little bit, and it will be very clear that this is where the sabers are connected, but it is a nice little design flair as well. And especially, like I said, if you like the pommel like this, you'll probably like a connector like this too. So at any rate, that's just a quick look at Custom Saber Shop's double-ended male threaded connector style 2, and I'll link to the page below where you can check this out.